On May 18, 2025, Indian Space Research Organization trusted workhorse, the PSLV, stumbled. In its 101st mission, the rocket developed a snag mere minutes after liftoff, failing to place the Earth observation satellite EOS-09 into its intended orbit. This was Indian Space Research Organization's second setback in just 4 months, a rare and concerning deviation for an agency known for its precision and consistency. According to preliminary analysis, the problem occurred during the ignition of the third stage, a solid motor, just 6 minutes into flight. While the first 2 stages functioned normally, telemetry showed trajectory deviations post-third stage ignition. The chamber pressure was lower than expected, hinting at a propulsion anomaly that left the satellite in a suboptimal orbit. EOS-09 was designed to enhance India's Earth observation capabilities with synthetic aperture radar imaging, capable of penetrating cloud cover and monitoring surface changes even at night. With a planned orbit of 597 kilometers in a sun-synchronous path, its successful deployment was crucial for defense, agriculture, and disaster management applications. The satellite remained healthy but stranded, unable to raise its orbit or perform its mission. Indian Space Research Organization is now evaluating alternate ways to retrieve or utilize the satellite, underscoring the strategic risks of launch stage failure. The problem echoes the NVS-02 mission in January, where another satellite faced orbital anomalies. This was the 63rd launch using PSLV and its XL variant's 27th flight. The last failure of this scale occurred in 2017 with the C-39 mission. Until now, the PSLV had earned a reputation for reliability, becoming India's flagship for deploying satellites globally. This setback reminds us that even proven systems demand relentless vigilance. Indian Space Research Organization Chairman Somanath assured the public of a swift root cause assessment, emphasizing confidence in the team's technical ability. Acknowledging the complexity of the third stage solid motor, he reiterated that every failure sharpens institutional resilience. "We shall come back stronger," he declared. This incident calls for revisiting quality assurance protocols, particularly for solid propulsion modules. Given PSLV's heavy load of commercial, strategic, and academic missions, Indian Space Research Organization may now undertake tiered testing mechanisms, more robust ground simulations, and probabilistic risk forecasting for mission-critical stages. EOS-09 was not just a scientific asset. It had utility in sectors from agriculture and flood monitoring to border surveillance. A missed deployment delays critical intelligence gathering and civil administration support, highlighting the need for orbital redundancy and parallel mission buffers. Indian Space Research Organization is set to launch its first human spaceflight, Gaganyaan, and collaborate on NASA's NISAR Earth observation satellite. These missions demand flawless execution. Recovering confidence post-PSLV setback will require transparent diagnosis, technical fixes, and a reaffirmation of India's growing role in space geopolitics. Failure in space is not final, it is instructive. This mission will serve as a blueprint for future improvements, reminding us that science thrives not in perfection, but in perseverance. As India charts its celestial path, setbacks like these are not endpoints, but recalibrations on the journey forward.